I have a very special picture to share. SpaceX and NASA launched 12th long duration crew to International Space Station. Have a look. Uh, no, not this. No, I think my editor has gone crazy. Yeah, that's right. Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to International, जिंगाबाद का इंटरनेशनल बुलेटिन. नाम से समझ आ गया था? Oh, we just tried to be a little creative with the name, you know? Anyway, today is Valentine's Day. And while you are buying overpriced roses, President Trump just gave the US military the ultimate Valentine's gift at Fort Bragg. And honestly, it's more dramatic than a K-drama. Trump is back with a new insane logic. Let's break down the madness of his Fort Bragg speech. Imagine you are a soldier. You are expecting a bonus check. The accountants tell Trump, "Sir, can we give them $1775?" Normal लोग कहते कि ठीक है. But Trump, he's a marketing genius and he values his soldiers so much.
They came in and said, "Sir, we can do 1,775. You know, if we had one more dollar, 1776." I said, "Add a dollar. Add a dollar." You think the Democrats would have done that? Forget it.
पूरा $1 बढ़वाया अंकल ट्रंप ने अपनी मिलिट्री के लिए. और सही तो कह रहे हैं, डेमोक्रेट्स कभी नहीं करते. $1 पेट्रियोटिज्म की कीमत तुम क्या जानो, बाइडेन बाबू. Who needs a salary hike when you have symbolism? Well, the speech was not just for the army. It was for the promotion of the film that no one is watching.
She did a movie. It's the hottest thing she's ever. It's crazy. Congratulations, by the way. Very good.
Yeah, the world loved it, just didn't watch it. Reportedly, इस फिल्म को बनाने और मार्केट करने में $75 मिलियन खर्च हुए हैं और इससे अब तक $14 मिलियन की कमाई हुई है. Popcorn made more money than the movie in theaters. ऑस्कर तो पक्का है. So you Hollywood baddies, don't dare compete this time. But the highlight, the capture of Nicolas Maduro. According to Trump, Venezuela steel is basically stationary.
They had to go through steel doors. The steels were like, it was like paper mache. You know what paper mache is? It's weak paper. These guys blasted through every door.
The big sink? मतलब डिक्टेटर वहाँ बर्तन धो रहा था क्या? Don't shoot. I'm just doing dishes.
They even talked about the discombobulator because they never got a shot off. The Russian equipment didn't work. The Chinese equipment didn't work.
He said the discombobulator? The discombobulator? Can anyone follow up with the president about this weapon? Oh, he told the New York Post he's not allowed to talk about it. It's a secret. Shh. But he did it twice now. Russian equipment failed, Chinese equipment failed, discombobulator did it. I just love the term. Well, he has more to say.
They design ugly equipment for sale. Well, we're designing great looking equipment, also stuff.
Gorgeous battleships? मतलब अब जंग में दुश्मन को डराना नहीं, impress करना है. Imagine a captain on a bridge. "Sir, enemy radar has spotted us." And the captain says, "Of course they spotted us. Look at the paint job. We look fabulous." ये पहली ऐसी जंग होगी जहां शिप के साथ उनका अपना मेकअप आर्टिस्ट और लाइटिंग क्रू साथ चलेंगे. Steel designs were made to hide, but Trump is like, अगर दुश्मन को हमारी चमक से मोतियाबिंद नहीं हुआ तो क्या खाक जंग जीती? He's turning the Navy into a floating fashion week. अब दुश्मन हमला करने से पहले सोचेगा, बम मारूं या सेल्फी लूं? It's the ultimate department of war strategy. If you can't beat them with the silence, beat them with style. Leave it, guys, just leave it. And meet the new CEO in waiting of the Hermit Kingdom, Kim Jue. She is roughly 13 years old. At 13, I was struggling to solve algebra. And she's out here giving policy inputs on intercontinental ballistic missiles. High school goals, right? Witness the world's deadliest parent-teacher meeting. Most kids go to the park with their dads. Joey goes to missile test size. While your dad was teaching you how to ride a bicycle, Kim Jong Un was teaching his daughter how to ride the Hwasong 18. See, don't even know what's Hwasong 18. Instead of bedtime stories, she get enrichment reports. होता है. Imagine the pressure. If she fails her homework, she doesn't get grounded. A whole province gets. South Korean intelligence says she has been internally appointed. Internally appointed? मतलब घर की बात है. It's like a family heirloom. बेटा, ये दादाजी की घड़ी है, ये पापा की जैकेट है और ये लो 26 मिलियन लोगों की जान और न्यूक्लियर रिमोट. संभाल के रखना, गुम मत कर देना. She is now walking ahead of the generals. Generals with enough medals on their chest to open a hardware store are saluting a 13-year-old. She wears Gucci sunglasses and Dior jackets. She is the world's first dictator influencer. उनकी get ready with me video कैसी होगी? Hi guys, today we are testing a solid fuel missile. Use my code #nukethem for 10% discount on your next fallout shelter. Fashion and firepower. What a combo. Kim Jong-un is only in his 40s. He looks, well, healthy is a strong word, but he's standing. So why the hurry?
तू समझा?
Or maybe simply because in North Korea, retirement planning means making sure your daughter can intimidate a room full of 70-year-old men before she even hits puberty. ये होती है असली women empowerment in North Korea style, guys. Basically, North Korea is a 70-year-old subscription model that you can never cancel. The Kims are like that one WhatsApp group admin who keeps it on only admins can send messages mode. Will Joy be different? Will she bring peace? History says she'll probably just be the next caretaker of the family circus. It's 14th February, guys, the day when love is in the air, but your bank account is on ventilator. Okay, how many of you have heard of Red Tuesday? Give me a cheer. It's a Tuesday before Valentine's when breakups spike by 20%. मतलब वैलेंटाइन के गिफ्ट का बिल आने से पहले एग्जिट स्ट्रैटेजी शुरू हो जाती है. 41% लोग तो सिर्फ इसीलिए ब्रेकअप कर लेते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें डिनर का बिल नहीं भरना. ये रोमांस नहीं भाई, ये फाइनेंशियल ईयर एंडिंग है. आई लव यू बट इतना भी नहीं कि 5 स्टार का बुफे खिलाऊं. सो लेट्स बी जस्ट फ्रेंड्स टिल मार्च. If you're feeling petty, the Bronx Zoo has a PhD level solution. You can name a Madagascar hissing cockroach after your ex for $15. मतलब 1200 रुपए दो और अपने एक्स को कीड़ा बना दो. And these aren't your normal kitchen roaches. These are 4 inches long and they hiss. बिल्कुल आपके एक्स की तरह. Imagine the notification. Your ex Rahul has just been eaten by a lizard. Click here for the slow-mo replay. ये क्लोजर नहीं, ये डिस्कवरी चैनल का हॉरर शो है. Can't handle the it's not you, it's me drama. Capitalism has a solution. The breakup butler. For $150, a professional will call your partner and end it for you. मतलब अब ब्रेकअप भी आउटसोर्स हो रहा है. इमेजिन अ गाय कॉलिंग योर गर्लफ्रेंड, नमस्ते, मैं हार्ट ब्रेक लॉजिस्टिक्स से बोल रहा हूँ. राहुल ने आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन खत्म कर दिया है, कृपया उसकी हुडीज शुक्रवार तक वापस दे दें. They'll even help you move out. ये मूविंग ऑन नहीं, ये रीलोकेशन सर्विस है. Even AI apps now offer monthly heartbreak subscriptions. अब रोने धोने के लिए भी प्रीमियम प्लान लेना पड़ेगा. No ads while you cry into your pillow. So, if you survived the relationship audit today, congratulations! You are expensive to maintain. But if you got dumped, don't worry. Somewhere in a zoo, there is a cockroach with your ex's name getting chewed on. Alright. Time for some real chaos from the world. US China proxy battle over Panama Canal ports set to intensify as CK Hutchison warns of legal action. US military prepares for potentially weeks long Iran operations. McDonald's India outlets get regulatory warning over rotten tomatoes. If he feeds you those for Valentine's, he's definitely eyeing on your insurance. Bitter dispute between Trump and EU over Gaza's future breaks out into the open. That's all from my side, guys, and in case you are wondering where is this accent coming from, just watch a lot of Trump videos. You'll get it. I'll take your leave now, and how did you like the show? Comment down. If you liked the video, hit the bell icon. We'll meet you Monday to Friday 8 p.m. with International Spices on Zinternational.